Hi, David Chomet of Chomet Solutions. Today I want to talk about the idea of decision fatigue and what you can do to fight against it. So what is decision fatigue? There's a lot of stuff on the internet about it, but it comes down to this, that we, because of the amount of information that we are continually bombarded with, we make too many decisions in a given day, and the quality of the decisions deteriorates over time. So what can you do to combat against that? The average adult makes approximately 35,000 decisions every day. 35,000. What are some of the things that you've done to eliminate some of the decisions in your life? If you look at people like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, they often wear the same thing every day. Why do they do that? So that they don't have to make a decision about what they're going to wear on any given day. It removes one decision or one set of decisions from how they conduct their day. And that decision allows them to concentrate on the decisions that are more important in terms of what they're trying to accomplish in their lives, business, and otherwise. So part of what you can do to make your life easier, to avoid the problem of making too many decisions, is simplify your life. Do not create a to-do list that is too long. Do not create one that will only disappoint you in the end. Realistically, you should have between 3 and 5 things on your to-do list for any given day. Does that mean that there are only 3 to 5 things that you'll do in any day? No, not at all. But what it does mean is that you continually have a resource that you go back to that tells you how many things you can realistically expect to get done in a day. And if you have too many things on this list, or if you have things on the list that frankly have been on the list for a while and aren't getting done, you need to find a way to get them off your list, either by deleting them altogether, delegating to someone else, or by putting them on the list at a time that you know that you will actually get to them, when they will rise to one of the top 3 to 5 things that you're going to do on any given day or in any given week. By coming in and having real goals, realistic goals, about what you can do in any given day, you will fight against decision fatigue and hopefully make yourself a more effective small business owner and more effective leader in your company and your community. If you like the content of these videos, please like, subscribe, and add a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks.